In this project, we'll try to cluster different diseases based on different genes. So first, we need to get our samples. This is GDC website. We will get data from this website, and first, we need to select our used program. In this project, we'll use TCGA, the cancer group, this program. And then here you can see there are so many primary sites. And our project will mainly focus on the most popular diseases. This is brain. We'll focus on brain. We'll focus on breast, lung cancer, and kidney. And then we'll try to select data type we will use. Here we will use gene express quantification and mRNA express quantification and isoform expression quantification. And here you can see that at last we can get 16,000 samples, and then we can start download. And this is our download command. Before download, you need to first get manifest data. This is our manifest data from here. Yeah, you can download the manifest data first, and then execute this command to get all the data. This is need to more than 3 hours, so I have downloaded it ahead of the demo. You can see. And this is all our files. There have totally about over 16,000 samples. And then we download it successfully. Then you need to check download is integrate based on MD5. And then we run it. Yeah, and when check finished, we have already checked it. We successfully download all of them, and the checksum is also successful. And then next, because our project will try to first cluster 3 diseases, so next we try to get case ID, because you can see, and then get file meta and case date and case meta using request meta code. When we execute all the command, and then we get file and case meta. And you can see that this is our file meta. Here, this file meta, we have already included gene express quantification, mRNA quantification, and isoform expression quantification, and this column will tell us this is tumor or normal, and if it's tumor and which tumor it is, then we need to get this information from the case meta. Yeah, here you can see in case meta there have a column called primary site. This one. We'll use this column to identify if it's tumor in fire meta and which disease type it is. And then in our geometric Python code, we do it. You can see that. We have already get metadata, and then if it's a tumor, if it's not normal, we'll set it 1 first, and then we'll traverse all the atoms, traverse the case ID. We'll traverse case IDs this column to get if it's breast, we'll set it 1. If it's kidney, we'll set it 2. And if it's lung, we'll set label is 3. So, and based on these labels, and we'll try to merge our gene data and the label data together to produce our final matrix. And when we get this metric, we'll first to cluster use all the features, and then if we can cluster them, if we cannot cluster them, we'll to define which genes may be unnecessary, and then try to decrease our features numbers, because you can see that, for example, to